Have you ever been in a situation where you need to make a phone call or send a text message, but you don't have a cell phone? Or maybe you're traveling and want to avoid roaming charges. If so, Vonage is a great option for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Vonage account. Vonage is a VoIP service that allows you to make phone calls and send text messages over the internet. It's a great alternative to traditional cell phone service, and it can be much cheaper. 1. Go to the Vonage website and click on the Sign Up button. Once you're on the Vonage website, click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to a page where you can enter your personal information. 2. Enter your personal information. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password. 3. Choose a plan. Vonage offers a variety of plans to choose from. You can choose a plan based on your needs and budget. 4. Enter your billing information. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll need to enter your billing information. This includes your credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. 5. Confirm your account. After you've entered your billing information, you'll need to confirm your account. Vonage will send you a confirmation email to the address you provided. 6. Download the Vonage app. Once your account is confirmed, you can download the Vonage app to your phone. The Vonage app is available for both iOS and Android devices. 7. Sign in to the Vonage app. Once you've downloaded the Vonage app, you can sign in to your account using the same email address and password that you created on the Vonage website. 8. Make a phone call. To make a phone call, open the Vonage app and tap on the Dialer tab. Then, enter the phone number you want to call and tap on the Call button. 9. Send a text message. To send a text message, open the Vonage app and tap on the Messaging tab. Then, enter the phone number you want to text and tap on the New Message button. 10. Use the Vonage app to manage your account. You can use the Vonage app to manage your account, including making changes to your plan, adding new users, and checking your call history. Now you know how to make a Vonage account. Vonage is a great way to save money on your phone bill and stay connected with the people you love. If you're looking for a cheap and reliable way to make phone calls and send text messages, I highly recommend Vonage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.